in the year 2005, I had a feeling that I got lot of ideas and I don't have enough life and enough facilities to put them in proper book form. Therefore, I simply sat down on the uh, what they call computer and started writing down whatever came to my mind. There were stories, small stories, long stories, humor, and and some very beautiful humor, English style, old style, new style, American style. I went on writing, putting them in the computer, in the internet, and because I was not very much acquainted with computers, therefore I made lot of mistakes. I made lot of expenditure. I spoiled lot of CDs, and but I continued writing, and I did not stop. The result was a book which I had to name. Long before that, I had thought that I will write a book, the name of which will be Trauma. 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 Mostly people take it as drama. Therefore, I always spell it out. So, because my life had been full of traumas. So, but when I almost came to finish the book, I decided to change the whole thing, the name of the book. I made it Seeds. Seeds because this book contains seeds of whatever I had in my mind, whatever I am. And traumas are suffered, but seeds grew. And I knew that everything that I had in my mind, these things will grow. Now I begin with the first page. I'll be skipping lot of things and I will be adding a few things. But let us see. And it is a very long time. Now it is 2010 and mid of it, 2010. And that means after 5 years I am writing, I am reading this book. And naturally I will be making mistakes, my pronunciation, and during this period I have been writing much Sindhi. Therefore I have lost the touch of English. Therefore, I will have to be, you will have to excuse me for my misspelling and use of wrong words. So, the first point that I wrote on the book was brief of the seeds. What it is. Seeds. What it is. Opening paragraph. The name says it could be held back. It could not be held back any longer. The things which I had accumulated in my mind, I could not hold them back. I could not wait. I had no time to wait and write and then go to publishers, go to binders, all these things. I could not hold them back. Therefore, I went on writing. I wrote it, the name. The name says it could not be held back any longer. I could not hold it any longer. A book, yes and no. It's a book, yes and no. Because like of this book, you will not find anywhere else. Up to this, neither in Europe, nor in America, nor in Asia, nor in India. You will find a book which is written in this style. And the way it is written, then very well, a book, yes and no. It's a book, you can call it a book, and you can also say, no, it is not a book. It has no chapters. Every paragraph is a book. So there are paragraphs, but every paragraph is a book, provided I had time. Autobiographical? Is it my autobiography? Yes, naturally it is my autobiography. About this autobiography, I want to say one thing. I have written it in Hindi, but I have not translated it into English because I am not in touch with newspapers. There is one thing. Not a single prophet, neither Muhammad, nor Isa, nor Musa, Moses, nor Noah, none of them ever wrote their autobiographies. Why? This question has occurred to me yesterday, I asked this question to many people. The people were not able to reply, but I have got an answer. Why they did not write their autobiography? You know why? Because there was guns in their life, which they could not expose. They had to say straight away, do this, don't do this, the way I have done it. Don't do this, don't do that. Why? Because I did the wrong things. I'm not telling the autobiography. Therefore, I say it is autobiographical. Yes, is it autobiographical? Yes and no. South Asian in Wien? Is it South Asian? Because I live in South Asia. Is it South Asian in Wien? Yes and no. Yes, it is South Asian, but it is also European. Because there is much of Europe in it. No. Philosophical? Not quite so. It is philosophical, but not very philosophical. Very, but too personal. But too impersonal. Is it my autobiography? It is my personal, or it is too impersonal? It is not concerned with me. Poetical? Is it poetry? It is not poetry. It is said, it is called book. It will be named as a book. But the point is that there is a lot of poetry in it, which you will find hidden in the prose. Okay. Faith oriented. Yeah. Do I preach some religion? Yes and no. I do preach religion. I do talk about God. I do preach about this, but I don't believe in them. Achha. Humorous? Is it joke? Is it humorous? Yes and no. You will find humor, but you will find moments where you will weep, you will cry. There are moments. Witty, for which there is a word, I don't understand what word can be used in Hindi or Urdu. But is it witty? Yes and no. At times you will laugh. Faith oriented? Yes and no. Achha, history based? Does it talk about history? Yes and no. Politically inclined? yes and no. You will find politics, and still you will find politics missing. Racial, no. I don't believe in this. Psychological, logical, literary, social, malicious, gracious, scientific, down to the earth, up in the heavens, name the category, and it is yes and no. Call it